to Lantern Creek Farm. Come on, girls. All right, y'all, today I'm going to talk to y'all about why I think you need some of these beautiful, fluffy girls. All right, first off, number one is for egg production. This right here, these beautiful eggs here, are what most people think about when they think about chickens. Not only can you get a protein source from these big, beautiful eggs, you can also use the chickens for meat. So that's my number two. Use these chickens right here, fatten them up, and use them for meat. But not just use the girls for meat, use the guys too. Young roosters make the perfect source of protein. Number three, they turn a yard into a buffet. Number four, they make great entertainment and fun for the kiddos. Thank you all for hanging out with us today at Lantern Creek Farm and our chickens. We ask y'all to join us back next time. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. Bye.